Can you regrout all types of tiles?
Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into the world of tiling and answering a common question. Can all types of tile be regrouted without removing old grout? It's a great question, and we'll break it down step by step.
Why would you want to regrout?
First things first, why would someone want to regrout tiles? Grout can become dirty, stained, or even damaged over time. Regrouting can give a space a fresh look and can extend the life of your tiles.
Can all tiles be regrouted?
The short answer is no. Not all tiles can be regrouted without removing the old grout. Here's why. 1. Depth of the grout lines. For the new grout to adhere properly, there should be enough depth. This often means removing at least some of the old grout. 2. Type of tile. Porous tiles, like natural stone, can get stained if the old grout isn't removed properly. 3. Old grout issues. If the old grout is moldy or compromised, it's crucial to remove it to ensure the health and longevity of the tiled space.
What's the best approach?
If you're considering regrouting, follow these general steps. 1. Assess the situation. Look at the type of tile and condition of the grout. 2. Remove some of the old grout. Use a grout saw or a multi-tool. You don't need to remove all of it, but you do want to create enough depth for the new grout to adhere. 3. Clean the tiles. Ensure there's no debris that can interfere with the new grout. 4. Apply the new grout. Choose a grout that's suitable for your type of tile and application area. 5. Seal the grout, especially important for wet areas like bathrooms. Regrouting can be a fantastic way to refresh a space without a full remodel. However, while you don't always have to remove all the old grout, it's essential to approach the task with care and consideration for the type of tile and condition of the existing grout. I hope this video shed some light on the topic for you. Happy tiling!